What's up, stream? How's everyone doing? Today is a development stream. I have an idea for like a quick possible game idea. I also want to look at some game jams and see if I can force myself over the course of a weekend to make an entire game. And I know there's one starting soon. So there's the Brackies. That starts in 3 days. So that's on the 11th, which is Sunday. So maybe not Sunday. Maybe not that one. The Rhythm Jam could be fun. But I'd have to make music. And then the Metroidvania one. Here, let me share my screen here. This Metroidvania one over here sounds kind of cool. And then obviously a pixel game jam. Lasts 9 days. It starts in 2 months. I've been thinking about it. Let me bring up my Notion calendar real quick. Hopefully it loads on the right screen. It did. Perfect. So yeah, there's just a ton of game jams. I'm like, damn, I should try that. Also something I want to look at is Steam. What is it called? Steamworks. Which is the developer tools for game design. So something I also want to look at. There's some documentation, so I don't know how easy it would be to do this. But it gives you a lot of things to help you with game design and posting your game. And I mean, I might even post this first game for free because it's going to be shit probably. But that's the best part of it. So anyways, let me just move you over here, move you into it. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna do a Pokedoku to start things off. Electric fire. I don't like that typing. I don't know why I always go for the Sprigatito, but I do. And we can go for Trico here. That's an easy win. Grass fire would be Oh, what's the pepper guy? Pepper. Nope. The pepper guy from Gen 9. What's his name? Skull Villain? That's the one. This is an easy victory bell. Okay. Electric Poison. This is a unique typing, and I feel like it's niche to one mon. So let's go here first. Do a simple Growlithe. And a first in evolution line poison type would be Wooper Paldea. Nice. Electric Fire. Electric Fire. Or even Electric Poison. Or Poison Electric. Jeez. Yeah, these two are throwing me off here. I can't say I know them. Electric Fire. I'm just trying to think through everything here. Electric and Fire. Nothing's really coming to mind. What about a poison and electric type or electric poison? Electric poison, hey? Might have to give up on these ones. Oh, is this Vicavolt? Vicavolt? Probably not. This is a Bug Electric. Yeah, I'm not sure about that actually. Electros. No. Maybe it's electric fire, but its main, I think, is steel. Is Genesect bug, steel, or poison? Oh, this is Rotom Heat. Okay, easy. This last one's got me stomped. An electric poison type, eh? quads are. Let's just keep looking up stuff until I kind of find something. Is Septile's Dragon, right? Mega Septile's Dragon Electric? Is it? I want to say it's Dragon. Mega Septile. Oh, that's not really what I wanted. Septile. Oh, it's Grass Dragon. I thought it was electric. Okay, maybe we look at megas here, right? Mega. There's a lot of megas that it could be. Electric Poison. Mega. There's Blastoise, Sceptile, Charizards, no. Mewtwo's, no. I'm not slacking. I do these at the start of stream. It exercises my brain, and considering all I do at work these days is sit around and wait for work to come to me, I need to exercise my brain. Damn it. But it's coming. I'm gonna be doing it. I'm trying not to pull a muscle. I might be giving up on this last one. Mega Pinsir. No. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to give up. Oh, Toxtricity! No! Damn it. Okay, let me pull up Epic Games Launcher. So I have an idea for a game, right, Monkey? I mean, it's going to be a free game. It's going to be absolute shit, and I'm okay with that. Or I really don't know yet, but I want it to be like in the same format as Octopath Traveler a little bit. Like in that visual theme, 2.5D. I mean, I already got some awesome sprites. You should see my sprites. Whew. Bunny would be proud. She would be so proud of me. Third person blueprint. No starter content. Yeah, and that's what I want to do. I feel like this is a game I could always add to later. But, and maybe this isn't even the game I just release, which also kind of scares me a little bit. There we go. Let's import. You're going to be so proud of me, Bunny. Extract sprites. Look at my sprites. Bunny would be proud of my sprites. It's, oh shoot. Unreal's probably killing my computer. Yeah, there we go. But I don't remember how to do this. 64 by 64. Ah, there we go. And then we can just delete this last one. And then also create flipbook FB underscore glass girl. Yeah, so we're gonna switch out the mesh here, I think. Or actually what I might be doing here, so I might just be stealing this. Add input mapping. Camera input I don't need. Yeah. The movement input I need, and the jump I don't know if I need just yet, but YOLO. Okay, so let's just, let's copy this. We're gonna make a new player, if you will. A new blueprint class. Character BP underscore. Or am I doing this? No. Sorry, that's wrong. Blueprint actor, I believe. Okay, and then we're gonna add a collision. Capsule collision. Okay. It's gonna be capsule. And then also sprite, paper sprite, glass girl. And then we're going to go here and we're going to choose this sprite. Yes, give me the sprite. Perfect. And then we go over to the event graph. We delete all this. Let's paste the input mapping in. Oh, you didn't take some of the things. Okay, let me just throw these in real quick. Throw you in, throw you in. What happens if the cast fails? I guess nothing. Okay, so that's input mapping. That should be right. And then I just need the movement. Control C, Control V. Thank you, Unreal Engine, for, giving me these things. You are awfully generous. Oh, wait, what's broken? Is not a pawn, therefore. Ah! Is it a pawn or a character? I don't remember. Give me my collision back. And then give me sprite. And then give me that. And let's also scale the capsule down. Oh. Right. Okay. Yeah, that works. Well, I probably... Yeah, you gotta take care of yourself first. I need to add a spring arm to the paper sprite, and I also need to add a camera to that. And so my spring arm is over there. So what I need to do real quick is rotate the spring arm this way. And to be honest, I could probably even shrink or move the camera closer. There we go. Okay. Compile, save. Perfect. Let's go to the event graph. Let's... Oh, shoot. Okay, 1 second. Let's delete this first. There we go. When I compile, everything works! Yay! Okay, let's grab this top piece here because Unreal is the GOAT. Oh, there we go. Unreal the GOAT. Okay, so that's a cheaty way to do that. I have managed to harvest items this weekend, and I freaked out, and I showed Mackenzie, and she's like, yes, congratulations, babe. Oh, wait, that's not ready. Let's delete that. Let's put you there. Something tells me that something's not right here. Okay, let me... Oh. That's not really what I wanted, though. God damn it. Well, okay. So here's the easier part. We go into here. We click on the mesh. Can I delete the mesh? I can't delete the mesh. See, I want to... One second, one second, one second. What's up, deformed fetus? How are you?
I'll teach you how you can make a 2.5D platformer in Unreal Engine 5. 2.5D can have many different definitions, but in this case it means a 3D game with if you go into rotate. But there's one simple setting we need to change. I'll call it B first and then combine the structure. You can again see it's being pushed onto another lane. Again, don't.
That's not what I want. Is this what I want?
In this video, I'll show you how to create a top-down 2D game in Unreal Engine 5. You'll learn how to set up multi-directional sprite animations. Go back to the top folder. We are currently in an open world map, which we don't really need. Click on File, New Level, Basic. Let's now create a blueprint for our character. Right-click, Create Blueprint Class.
What does he make the blueprint class of?
Paper ZD.
Oh, that's what I was fudging up. All right, let's go back to content here. Let's make a new folder called Glass Girl. Move it all into that. Oh yeah, that's cool. Move here. Yeah, that's my flip book, sorry. Move here. And then new folder for sprites. Okay. And then blueprint, all classes, paper. Do I not have paper ZD installed on this project? That would be a shame. No, it seems like it is just fine. It's a good thing I didn't close that, right? Okay, it's obviously not in my... Oh, shoot, didn't mean to open that. I need to import the paper ZD. One second here. Save all. And I hate that I can't see this. Might be plugins. Paper CD, and let's we'll keep paper 2D on. Okay, restart now. There we go. do 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 do. I just read that one message, Monkey. Yes, their attention spans are that of a squirrel. You are correct. Okay, now we can make that blueprint paper ZD character. Okay, and then let's load this up. Put the source flipbook in there. Oh, look at it. It's so awesome. I'm so good. But I feel like the sprite needs to be a little bit bigger. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then compile, save. Let's go to the event graph, delete all of this. Let's steal this again for the last time, hopefully. Because hopefully this works. And then also all of, oh shoot, all of this. I'm probably going to want jump actually, but at least not right now. Well, screw it. We'll put jump in just in case. Okay, and there we go. That's the basic controls of the girl. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Compile, save. Woo! Okay, I can delete you now. Let's make a new level. Basic. Let me put this in. Let's hit play. Ah, damn it. Okay, let me delete you. And then... Ah, damn it. How do I correct that? That's not what I wanted. We're getting there. Let me go back here to third person blueprints. Can I just, let's delete this. Force delete. And then here, okay, this might be part of our problem though. Spectator pawn, player controller. Just trying to see if there's any like link to it, you know? Let's compile, save, and then let's That didn't work. Where am I? Oh, I was kind of close. I think it just spawned me in 0, 0. Oh, here we go. There we go. Pog, I found it. I found the setting. Hopefully this works. Woo! Yeah, woo! It moves the controller, but not the girl. And part of that is probably because player controller. Okay. So this is fine. And there's nothing in there. Okay. I think. Let's just see here. Yeah, so what is this doing wrong? Target self, there should be this blueprint should be going into cast player controller, which it is. That's right. Okay. Because right now I'm just moving the camera. Is it because I don't have a camera physically attached, I wonder? Because that seems to be right. And that seems to be right. Okay, let's... 1 second. When I hit... It makes me jump. Okay. So it's just the fact that the camera's not connected to the sprite, I think. 1 second. Let's watch this.
I'll call it v underscore top down, just the paper 2D character, but it has the animation component from paper ZD, which we can later attach to animation blueprint too. Click on the sprite and for source flipbook, select our idle down animation.
Mm-hmm.
The second sprite font edit in the top and set pixel per unit to make sure that all actions and set pixel per unit to 0.2.
Okay, 1 second. I didn't do any of that. Where did he right click? He right clicked somewhere.
Make sure they're all active and set pixel per unit to 0.2.
0.2. Sure. Okay, save all. Oh, now he's way too big. 1 sec, let me scale him down. Sorry, this one. And then let's do that. Oh no, this should be 0.1 actually. And then doot. And okay.
We have multiple options for positioning the sprite and camera, but for now let's go for traditional view straight from the top. Set the rotation on the x-axis for the sprite to -90.
But I'd rather not.
Getting in other issues. So it's better to... Let's get into setting up our animation flowchart.
Oh, I do need to add a camera. That's what I thought. Spring arm and camera. I'm not dumb. I shouldn't be second guessing myself. Spring arm. And does the camera go? See, this is when I don't know. Yeah, okay. Spring arm attaches to the camera. Now we do, oh shoot, we do the spring arm 90 degrees. There we go. Okay, it's a little bit backwards, but we can handle that. Backwards is good. So instead of the spring arm being that, let's set it to 0 and let's set the sprite rotation to 90. Okay. Okay. In theory, look at that. Look at that. It works. Looks like I wasn't so dumb after all. Oh, look at my beautiful pixel art. I even jump. I don't like the camera being straight on like that, so we're going to rotate the spring arm up a little bit. Wait, that's the sprite. I don't want the sprite. I want the spring arm. Like that. Compile, save. I feel like it just looked weird when it was straight on, and maybe because it was too close, I'm not sure. Okay, that was strange, but... Okay, yeah, I think it's a little too tight. So here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. The camera is going to move out. Yeah. Then we're going to compile and we're going to save. Is that further away? I think so. Now the camera's kind of weird. Maybe now the spring arm can be at 0. 1 second. 0. Compile, save. I don't think that's actually changing anything. Maybe the spring arm needs to be scaled, which it's possible. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's move this guy back to like here. 0. Yeah, there we go. And then let's scale the spring arm. Oh boy. That didn't seem to do anything. Okay. That's fine. There's camera settings here. The lens. Film. Okay. For right now, it looks fine. I can do my own digging at a later moment. That's not what I wanted. I wanted project settings. And let's turn the anti-aliasing method to fast. And motion blur needs to be off. And okie dokes. So we have the character set up to move and jump. Now, I have a couple ways I want to take this game. It could be a puzzle platform, or it could be an RPG. And in which case, I don't need Glass Girl. But I'll use the blueprint and just, rename it or whatever. The thing I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to make a custom event. Or no, when you press E key, when the E key is pressed, I want to shoot. Yeah, I want to shoot a beam of light from her chest. So the easiest way to do that would be to I would have to play the beam. And then I would have to apply the physics of what the beam of light does. So if I'm using the beam of light to solve a puzzle, for example, Okay, so maybe this is where I should take the time to flesh out some things. So let's open up Notion real quick. Good old Notion. We'll go here, right? And honestly, maybe I should delete this. Okay. So this is gonna be, I called the project Broken Glass, so we'll call it Broken Glass. Then we'll go slash. Are they good?
Well, it's a brownie.
But can you tell there's Nutella in them? Well, they're still warm-ish. They're pretty good.
Wow. High praise.
It's a brownie. I'm not a big brownie fan. You have to remember that.
Why did you want brownies? I'm not gonna eat them all.
Because they look delicious. Would it be cooler to have the list, a table, or the board view? Probably a board view. No, that's wrong. Delete. Database. Board view. And then we do mechanics, characters, I don't know if you're still listening, Monkey, but you and I, we should look into a game jam. I've been looking into them. There's some game jams out there, man. Coming up, too. Like a Metroidvania game jam. Sheesh. And some of these give you, like, funding for your game. Like, what do you get from this one? Prizes. One asset pack on their page. And then Anchor Point offers a yearly license for the winners. Instead of bumping the files to a Google Drive, you use version control. Anchor Point provides free usage of their Git-based version. That's pretty cool. A Zessie, one game in their wide catalog. That's cool. Are you forcing him to come out? Or even the Pixel Jam, the Pixel Game Jam. Like, this one has some money to it. $200 for the overall jam winner. And a publishing collaboration with the jam host for the game that you have made. All costs will be covered for your game for it to succeed on a larger market. Think of Steam page marketing, etc. And then there's secondary prizes too. So we should definitely think about that. But anyways, I want her to refract the light. And the easiest way for me to talk about this is when a beam of light hits her, she can redirect it at something. What you doing? Oh.
What?
Nothing. And right now I'm just calling her Glass Girl. Name subject to change. Stuffs. And I think this game would work really well for a story where she just doesn't feel like she fits in anywhere because she's a broken shard of glass. And so I'd have to write around that, but for right now, what I think we should do is I should work on some sprites. And here's why. They're going to look like ass, and I'm okay with this. New file. Let's make it 325 by 560. I don't know, just something a little crazy. Right? Something a little crazy. And then we pick a color like something like that, maybe. Or even like dark, like this. And so we're trying to make background components. So maybe I don't know. What about... Let's just start drawing and see what happens. Ooh. I'm already liking what I'm seeing. And maybe I bring this up a little bit. Bring it down maybe. Right? This game's just gonna look like ass for now. And that's okay. Okay. And then I need another layer. How do I add a new layer? New layer. Okay, let's go to layer 2. Layer 2 can be a little bit smaller. And it's just going to be like this and like this. And then we also got a little bit of eye. And then let's add some more here. And then let's just do some like... New layer. Dang it. There we go. That's a little bit better. There we go. And then my art is so awesome. Looks like a seahorse. Look at my freaking skills, bro. God, I'm so good at this. And then we should also do... Let's make this a little bit bigger. There's a fill bucket. Oh no. One second. Let me do this. And then that. Whew. Oh, thought I was a goner for a second. Let me export as glass seahorse background. I want to condense them. Is there a way to condense? There we go. There we go. Export. There we go. And now when I go here, let's see here. Background things. Yeah, that's a good word for it. Now we make a I don't know if I need a blueprint for it. But I do want it to be, I mean, I guess so. And then you can just make it an actor? Or do we want to do a paper ZD? No. Let's just do an actor then. Blueprint underscore glass seahorse. Okay, and then let's do collision. That didn't work. Capsule collision. This is going to need to be scaled up a lot, so there we go. And then also in here, we have a sprite, paper sprite. And that's going to be, shoot 1 second. Uno momento. Import. To be honest, I don't know where that just saved to. Where did that just export to? I'm so confused. Where does this go to? Okay, 1 sec. Export. Sprite sheet. I mean, it's not really a sprite, but at least this way I can choose this to go on my desktop as glass seahorse. Doesn't look like glass, but that's okay. There we go. Sprite actions, extract sprite. Let me grid this. Yeah, that works. And then back to here. Let's just compile this quickly. And let me just I think it's edit selection and property matrix. We're going to make this 0.3. So we're going to make it a big boy. Oh, shoot. Can we put this back on somewhere? Oh, boy. There we go. There we go. Save. Close. And then let's go. Okay, he's a little bit big. I get that. He's a little bit big. Understandably, he's a little bit big. There we go. There we go. You see how that's done? You see how that's done? Now, oh, no, not that. Now we do this, right? And then this guy comes. Okay, I might have made him a little bit too big. But that's not my problem. That's not my problem. Okay, yeah, it might be my problem. Let's scale him down to about that. Let's scale this down to about that. Okay, compile, save. Okay, now I need to rotate him 90 degrees. Okay, and so how far away from that do I currently? Oh, I cover it. Okay. Okay, good. Now let's bring him back. Let's bring him down. Bring him over here, maybe. And now he has collision. Okay, except I don't like my camera doing this. And there's a way to make that not happen. Spring arm. It's a spring arm setting. Start with tick enabled. I want to say it's inherit yaw. That might be crazy, but 1 second. So where's my seahorse? My seahorse isn't here. I gotta go into this level to. Okay. Nope, that wasn't it. Okay, we can turn that inherit back on. Oh, shoot, my bad. Is that it? I don't feel like that's it. Wait, where's my seahorse? There he is. Oh, what setting did I just press? What setting did I just press? I must know. Also, it was a little off angle, that camera, so 0. Oh wait, no, 1. Why was it off? That seemed weird. Frick, what setting was that? It was something to do with the camera, right? Or was it the spring arm? It was on the spring arm. Do collision test. That's what it was. Got it. Okay. So now. Ha. Okay. I've done nothing truly impressive yet, except for copy and paste code and make a character move, a sprite move, which doesn't even play an animation, may I add. Crazy. The next thing, let's do F key. There we go. The F key is going to there's so much sugar in this. I want to, on an F, I want to interact with something. So, is interactable? And I want that Boolean. So what I want to do is I want to get that Boolean, right? I guess what I could do is I could make button. You know, a really simple sprite, just a 16 by 16 sprite. When we zoom in here, it's just really simple. And then actually, can we make it a little bit bigger? Yeah, and then we do this, all of that, and then we just do this. And that's our button. Okay, so let's export as sprite sheet button. Export that. Okay. Now let's interactables. So this is going to be a folder for button. Would a button be placed or spawned in the world, or would it be a pawn? No, it would probably be just an actor, right? BP underscore button. Okay, now when we open this up, it's going to have box collision. The box collision is going to be small. And then we're also going to import into this button. And then we're going to take sprite actions and extract sprite. And that. And then we're going to add a paper sprite. And this is going to be our button. Button. There we go. Very simple. And now this, oh no, one sec. This can shrink down. Oh, this should not be a part of that. And this should also not be like that. There we go. And yeah, this should be a little bit bigger probably. Okay, compile, save. Now this is gonna seem really silly to do. Actually, no, it's not. It's not gonna be silly. We're gonna move the button up. And we're gonna save. The button is facing the wrong way, so let's move the button 90 degrees. Didn't seem to move 90 degrees. 0. Okay, no, that's not what I wanted. What about 90 degrees this way? That's also not what I wanted. 90 degrees. That's also not what I wanted. Oh, that's because I'm not rotating the right thing. There we go. 90 degrees. Compile, save. Okay, so now I reach button. Which button should probably be bigger now that I'm thinking about it? Yeah, button should probably be a little bit bigger. What about 0.5? Should be twice as big. And then boxy box can be a little bit bigger as well. Imagine that. I mean, it's still small. Don't get me wrong. But now at least I can make button bigger and play. There we go. That's a more sizable button. Okay. So now we go over here and we gotta give the button some characters. What's up, Bram Stammer? How are you? Interactability. This is going to be I haven't learned a whole lot about those yet. I guess it would be a Boolean, right? And it should always be true. And so if, when I press F, cast to BP underscore, am I casting to the button? Probably. No. cast to BP underscore glass girl. And then the object is going to be BP underscore button. Right? No. Get button. Get actor. No, I don't think that's what I want either. Button. So maybe I do want this to be cast to BP underscore button. And then I can at least set self or BP underscore glass girl. No, I should be getting get actor. Okay, 1 second. What are they doing down here? Get controller. Get controller. Return value there. And if the player is overlapping the button's collision, we're going to do a branch so that if is interactable is true, we're going to essentially press button, which should be its own function, right? Press button. So what happens when you press the button is well, it would open a door, right? Or something. So I get actor. Well, see, here's the problem. I don't have the door. Would always fail. Does not inherit from controller. Get button. Or how would I? But that's what I want to. Oh no, sorry. This is what I want to set to. Frick. Now I'm concerned. That's not what I want either. Button. That's not it. BP underscore button. Now there's nothing executing this. Actually, so this should be casting to the player. So BP underscore glass girl. And that should be going there. Get all actors. Oh, and then I select an actor. Thank you. Underscore button. Get a copy. There we go. Thank you. That was a big help. Well, so I'm just messing around, right? But, oh no, what happened? Okay, let's stop that. There we go. So here's my button. So when I'm overlapping the button's collision, unless I guess I'm supposed to be, it's 5. I guess I would be doing it in here, right? Where on the F, on the F key, I would just be interacting with the button and all the button. So, on collision overlap. Oh shoot, one sec. Cast to BP underscore glass girl. And would it just be this actor? Or no, it'd be the overlapped component. Wait, so I want to cast to an actor. Cast to actor. Oh, but I don't need to cast to it. Oh, I see what you're saying. Wait, maybe I don't. Sorry, I'm still very new to this. So cast to BP underscore glass girl. This is my character blueprint, or my player blueprint. Unless you mean... Oh. So I'm also using... Shoot, where is it? Third person. I'm using the third person template. So am I looking for... No, I'm not looking for that. Why would I look for that? Gotcha. Gotcha. Understood. I got it. I think this is going to be more confusing without a door, though. So let's just quickly throw together my sprite's 64 pixels tall. Let's do 128 by 128. Don't save. Let's do like a... Oh, that's not great. Oh yes, beautiful. Oh my god. Wait, I got it. I got it. I just need a straight line. That's all I need. Shift. That didn't work. Control. No. Okay. There has to be a way to just draw a straight line. Damn it. It is a sprite. Oh, that's a good call. That's a good call. Let's bring this up. There we go. Yeah, I bought it just to mess around with game design and stuff. And I mean, I don't have any problems with it so far. So this is our door. It's very simple. It's a line. Door underscore sprite. And now I need to make the door. Let's import the door real quick. Let's extract sprites. Let's do grid. That's fine. Blueprint class actor BP underscore door. And then I need box collision. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and a little bit more like that. And then let's add our paper sprite. I mean, I think it's worth it to to pick up. If you are going to use it, I definitely think it's worth picking up for sure. It's a cool little tool, if you will. It's a really shitty door. Holy fuck. Let me rotate the door 90 degrees. Oh my god, that's comedy. There we go. But wait, no, I didn't want... Damn it. The box shouldn't have rotated 90 degrees, but it looks like it did for some reason. And part of that might be because of this. So yeah, the whole box rotated. So let's do this 90 degrees as well. Actually, the box probably never rotated, and I'm just not bright. Okay, I think I have this too close to you at the moment. Yes, probably. I should probably make this a little bit wider. Compile, save. It's weird that my hitbox doesn't seem to be big enough. Let me continue to widen it. Alright, that seemed a little bit better. That's fine. Okay. So now we're going to make it so that on an F press, or no, we're going to set, okay, one sec. What we're going to do is now we're going to set interactability to true. And so this should always be false. And then once F is pressed, F key, I probably can't do this. So F, I want to make it so that this F key, when pressed, presses the button and then the button moves the door. Okay. Now that the button's interactable, as per the Boolean, I want to detect an F button press. So maybe I just do it in here where F key, when pressed, branch, okay, and then interactability, get, if true, I want to get actor door, get all actors of class, door, and I want to vector set oh shoot, open door, okay, and instead of a Boolean, that's going to be a float, and that float is going to be, wait, is it going to be a float? Oh, yes, it is. I just have to do that. We're going to set this to 3. I don't know how tall that is. It just feels right. Y equals 3. What's wrong with this? The A pin is invalid. Oh, I need to give it an actor. That makes sense. BP underscore door. Nope, that's not what I don't need a cast 2. I just need to get, what is this A? It's a vector. If false, do nothing. Print string, I am dumb. I am dumb. Because that's how I feel. Vector set. I don't know if this is the right thing to do because I'm trying to get, I'm trying to set the vector, but I'm not trying to set the vector of the button. I'm trying to set the vector of the door. So I think this is wrong. Vector transform. Transform. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Target. Okay, 1 second. Transform. That might be better. And then we raise you up to, Let's say 3. It's probably way up in the air and not accurate, but YOLO. Target is not self though. Target is BP underscore. Oh, shoot. Well, now I need to call another actor. Call actor. Now I need to interact with BP underscore door. But watch. Yeah, that gives me an error because I need the execution pin to go somewhere. Oh. Ah, damn it. Can I also... No. What? No way. Okay, why am I casting? I just need to obtain this target. Is there a way to get... Oh my god. Computer, please. It's my mouse. There we go. Get actors. No, that's not right. Actor BP. I don't think I want events. But I do want... That's not it. There has to be something. I guess I could, instead of transform, I could delete. What would that look like? I mean, if I compile this, okay. Let's destroy actor. It's not doing anything. Why is it not doing anything? Is the button's collision not big enough? It very well might not be. That's not doing what I want it to. Maybe that's why. This isn't the actor. Array of BP door object references. So obviously this is true. Because I'm not getting a string here telling me how dumb I am. Yeah, I'm not getting a string up here telling me I'm a big knucklehead. So obviously this is true and it's trying to execute these steps, but I'm not executing them well. I want to see something. That's not even working. I see. I see what's going on here. It's because it's part of the button and not part of her. So this should be a cast to BP button and other actor. And then let's just see here. Okay, so this is fine. This is fine, and this is fine. I need a new Boolean called, one second. I need to figure out if it's interactable. So when I interact, or once we collide, yes, it becomes interactable. Then get is interactable. If it is true, you're going to set the actor transform. If it is false, you're going to tell me I'm dumb. But I need a transform. So I need to make a door transform. Okay. We're going to compile. We're going to move the door up 3. And then we're going to bring you in. We're going to get you, and we're just going to put you in there. And compile. And there's something going wrong here. There's no event overlap here. So this is interesting for me, right? So I should be doing this. 1 second. I should be doing this on component overlap. 1 second. 1 second. Box. Begin overlap. So let's leave this casting to BP underscore glass girl. And other actor. And then we're going to set interactability. Nope, shoot. Interactability set to true. And now we can affect and now if is interactable is true, which I mean it should be. Oh, 1 second. I'm ruining everything. I keep going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Okay. Cast to BP underscore button. Other actor is object. Then we're going to set this to true. And if this is true, we're going to do that. Okay, we have no issues here. Perfect. Got it. So, yeah, 3 might be, a little overkill. 1 second. Let's change this to like 1 in the Y direction. In the Y direction or in the Z direction? In the Z direction. No. So you need to be 0 and you need to be 1. And then I need to set the target. I just don't know how to call a target call. Door. BP door. I don't know. This is all I got, man. And then maybe that works. I'm kind of doubtful. I didn't think so. Rats. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? I don't want this pin. I want this pin, I think. No, I don't want that pin. I want that pin there. What the fuck, bro? I understand. I did it, I think. I want to say I did it. If I'm not overlapping anything, it's okay. So what this should actually be doing is branch. Oh, wait. No, I see. Can we? Yeah, 1 sec. And then we set is interactable. Nope, that's not it. If the cast fails, we set it to false. Okay. Okay. I think I'm thinking with my noggin right now. It's supposed to tell me how dumb I am. I am dumb! But it doesn't move the door now. Oh, that's an issue. So, if interactable is true on an F press, we're not casting to the door. We should be setting the actor transform. Get actor. Get all actors of class. Maybe this is what I'm doing? No, because that won't let me plug into it. Because see, if I do this, and I compile and I save, this is just shooting my character straight up into the air. That didn't seem right. Something was not right there. Yeah, that's not right. She should really spawn at 0, 0, but whatever. So, what about x equals 1 and this equals 0, and then we compile, save, play. That wasn't right. I don't feel like this is about to be right either. Why am I still overlapping? I shouldn't be overlapping with the button still. Oh, I know why. And then let's, after this is over, set interactable to false. Right? No. No, sorry. Sorry. It should be like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so when I go up to this, good. That's what I want. That's exactly what I want. Well, kind of. I mean, I don't think the transform is working the way I thought it would. Mainly because it's not moving the goddamn door. Find nearest actor. Get parent actor? Get nearest actor. Maybe I just want this. But that's okay. I can do actor or find door, right? And then it looks like it's a structure. Add item array. I know there's no door. It's terrible. I don't think this is what I want. I might want an enumerator. No. Array of actor object. Actor for world transforms. Let's compile real quick. Okay. Compile. Of the actors to check pin is invalid. Okay, so we go here, we get this. And we, come on. Are you kidding me? Actor object. Actor reference? Nope, not button. Sorry, door. That's not it either. Make array. Make array. I don't think this is it. Get actor. I guess finding the nearest actor isn't easy. Actor. And then BP underscore door. No. Okay. Actor. Oh, no, not actor. Sorry, BP door. If I compile. Yeah, but like that might not be a problem, right? Like there's a chance it's not a problem. It's a problem. By the way, deformed fetus, I don't know if you know this, but you don't even have to pay for a sprite. I didn't know this till after I paid for it, and I was like, whatever. If you're willing to compile it from their GitHub, they just give it to you. But you have to compile the software yourself. It's a little bit extra work, or you can pay for it already compiled. I didn't know that until after, and I would have probably taken the time to learn how to compile that from their GitHub, but I'm okay with supporting them, so that's okay. Actor class. What if I just get component by class and I make this like BP underscore or not? Don't think that's what I'm looking for. Actor, get actor. I could overlap the sprite. Overlap. Here's the problem. I don't know if this sprite is the door or if this sprite is the door. Or if these are my characters. These might be my characters, to be honest. BP underscore door overlapping. Nope, that's not it either. I'm like so close. I just need to figure out how to target the door. That's it. How does one grab reference to the door? I guess I could make a function. So instead, I make a function here. It gives me a function there, right? Open door. So I can take this control X even, control V, move this down. You do that. And you would be get I don't know if I'm getting the player here. I'm just getting the door, right? Actor BP underscore door. I don't know if this is accurate. Event begin. Begin play? No, okay. I'm not sure. Oh, I see. I need to make a variable called door transform. And I need to make it a transform, and I need to compile, and then I need to make it one. And then I compile, I save. That didn't seem to make it happy. Compile, save. There we go. Okay, give me a sec. We're gonna just move up real quick. Promote to variable. And then, wait, there's an actor variable? What? Editing this value in a class default object is not allowed. So wait, there's just like a... Oh yeah, one sec. Because this changes everything. Door. Target. There's just a target. Or at least there was 5 seconds ago. What the What the hell? Okay, maybe what I do here is I make a function open door. And then target promote to variable. And then compile. Oh, I see. Let's delete this real quick. Open door. Okay, and then let's delete this. Compile. I don't understand. I can promote to variable. When I compile, that's cool. Maybe if I copy it. Maybe it should be an object reference. And maybe it should be single. And then, no. Class reference, change variable type. I obviously don't want this to be self. Beep. It won't let me edit that. I want to get a target. Delete. Delete. Yeah, I don't care. Event begin play. I want to add or cast to BP underscore button. No, I don't want to cast. On begin play, I want to add the door. Add. No. Plus. Maybe it, no. Okay, it doesn't connect. I don't know why it gives me the option to do that, but so I'm just trying to think here. I want to make the door visible here. Or editable here. One second, actually. Enable gravity, no. Such a simple mechanic, and I can't seem to grasp it. But that's why I'm doing these streams, so that I can learn. Do I want to do that on begin play? Yeah. And I want to connect. I want to, do I want to cast to the button? That doesn't connect them. Target. Just trying to think. Maybe I do want to cast this to the button. It's just going to be an infinite loop at that point, but yeah. Okay. Or, sorry, BP underscore target self. There we go. Self. Does not inherit from BP door. It would always fail. Perfect. Um, Maybe I don't need to cast the button. I thought maybe I would. Maybe I don't even need to code anything to the door. Which, I mean, might be... Huh. I just want you... that does look to be... Yeah, that's overlapping. Okay. Wait, why is the camera... Okay. Now when F is pressed, it checks to see if interactable is true or false. If I'm overlapping with the button, it becomes interactable. If I'm not interacting with the button or overlapped with the button, it becomes false, or it is false. So when I press F and it's true, it sets the actor transform to Z+1, which currently doesn't seem like it works. And then it sets it to false automatically. But that's not the door it's interacting with. So I'm trying to grab overlapping collision on collision overlap. Or on component activated. Maybe this should be on component activated. Or I should activate So annoying. I'm just trying to get the door as a target. Um, Blueprints, UE5, how to get another class called how to call function, how to call a blueprint variable from another blueprint. Or blueprint interfaces. Basically make the variable, i.e. click the I next to it so it's open. But here's a thread with discussion on it. Hi, I have a blueprint character. I want that another blueprint checks that bool, but I can't find the way to access it there. Okay, so they're saying, oh, shoot. That there should be that and visible oh, okay. I have to say what's on everyone's mind here. I've read this in other forums repeatedly to figure this out and still don't get it. In other games or scripting in general, it ain't no thing to declare variables in higher scope and access or change said variables from any scripts. Try get player character. Get player character. Player controller list. Three? I don't know. I am dumb now. Why am I dumb? I don't want to be dumb. Get door. I want to get my door. BP underscore door. Get. Why is this so freaking difficult? Cast to BP underscore door. Get player character. Is that BP door does not inherit from character? Well, that's freaking great. Get player controller. You don't get from the player controller. Okay. Get BP. Get paper sprite. There you go. You should be happy. No, you hate that? Okay. Okay. Doesn't like that. What if I cast it to cast to this probably does absolutely fuck all. Yeah. I hate my life. I hate my life. I hate my life. Because I don't understand. Wait, did that seriously just work? 1 second. I am dumb. Okay, well, let's save this project. We'll come back to it. Maybe even Saturday. Maybe even Saturday. I'm really thinking about it. Yeah, I think oh, I gotta save the level. Test level. I definitely need to watch more videos. And figure out more stuff. But I don't think it should be as difficult as it is. And maybe that's partially because I'm doing blueprints. Who knows? But yeah. Anyways, that's probably it. Well, it is it for the night. I'll be back Friday. Playing some more games, and yeah, I'll see you guys Friday. Peace, peace.